on the latest economic policies and their impact on you. Today, we're diving into a significant new development, the Unified Pension Scheme, or UPS, launched by the Government of India. So, what exactly is the Unified Pension Scheme? The UPS is a newly announced pension scheme by the central government designed to address the concerns of government employees regarding their retirement benefits. It comes in response to dissatisfaction with the existing national pension system, NPS, and the discontinuation of the old pension scheme, OPS. Let's break down the key features of this scheme. First up, let's talk about the assured pension. Under the UPS, if you've served for at least 25 years, you will receive a pension amounting to 50% of your average basic pay over the last 12 months before retirement. If you've served less than 25 years, your pension will be proportionate to your tenure with a minimum qualifying service period of 10 years. First up, let's talk about the assured pension. Under the UPS, if you've served for at least 25 years, you will receive a pension amounting to 50% of your average basic pay over the last 12 months before retirement. If you've served less than 25 years, your pension will be proportionate to your tenure with a minimum qualifying service period of 10 years. But that's not all. The scheme also ensures an assured family pension. In the unfortunate event of an employee's death, their spouse will receive a family pension, which is assured at 60% of the pension that the employee was drawing. Even if you've served the minimum of 10 years, there's a guaranteed minimum pension of 10,000 rupees per month upon retirement. And to ensure that your pension retains its value over time, the UPS includes inflation indexation. This means that both the assured pension and family pension will be adjusted to keep pace with inflation. In addition, retirees under the UPS will receive Dearness Relief based on the All India Consumer Price Index for industrial workers, just like serving employees. There's also a lump sum payment on superannuation. This payment is equivalent to 1/10 of the employee's monthly emoluments for every 6 months of service, and it's on top of the gratuity you receive. Importantly, this payment does not reduce your assured pension. So, how does this impact government employees? Well, immediately, 23 lakh central government employees will benefit from this scheme. However, this number could potentially increase to 90 lakh if state governments choose to join the scheme. This is especially relevant as many non-BJP states have decided to revert to the old pension scheme, and there's been growing demand from employee organizations in other states for the same. Now, it's essential to understand why this shift is happening. The old pension scheme, while offering 50% pension of the last drawn salary with increasing DA rates, was deemed fiscally unsustainable. It wasn't contributory, meaning the burden on the exchequer kept increasing. The UPS aims to strike a balance by offering assured benefits while maintaining fiscal responsibility. Before we wrap up, let's quickly compare the UPS with the National Pension System, or NPS, which has been the standard for government employees since 2004. Under the NPS, the pension is market-linked, meaning it depends on the returns from investments in various financial instruments like equity and debt. While this can potentially yield higher returns, it also carries risks associated with market volatility. Additionally, the NPS is a contributory scheme, meaning both the employee and the government contribute to the pension fund. In summary, the Unified Pension Scheme is designed to address the gaps left by the NPS while avoiding the fiscal pitfalls of the OPS. It offers a more secure and predictable pension, making it an attractive option for government employees. What do you think of the UPS compared to the NPS? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Economics Destination